clean out the refrigerator with me.
Y'all, everything going to garbage. When it's time to clean out this refrigerator, every motherfucking thing going to garbage. I got so much tomato sauce. I'm going to be using this stuff. I'm making my own, my peppers. Shit, I don't even want to open it. I'm scared to open that shit. That shit been there so long. I gotta actually start using my groceries when I buy it instead of having this shit just sit in the refrigerator not using this shit. Oh shit. Now let's go ahead and clean this refrigerator and get it so pretty, honey. Then we're gonna go ahead and move to the freezer after. And I just wanna wipe down the freezer. I'm gonna take everything I got and wipe down the freezer. And I try to do this at least once a month. Listen, y'all, I try. But I definitely want to do it and get it over with so it can be done. Because a lot of stuff gotta go in the garbage. And this needs to be cleaned. Brand new. This is how it needs to be. Yeah. So we done came a long way. We done cleaned out the refrigerator. It looks so good. But now I got a whole nother mission. I gotta clean the kitchen. But the refrigerator looks amazing. It really needed it. So my part two, I gotta clean this damn kitchen.